Hello, today we are going to discuss CAPF 2025 paper conducted by UPSC. First question asked was about the National Green Hydrogen Mission. It was approved by Cabinet in 2023. The statement is correct. The Ministry of Renewable and Forest and Climate Change uh, has launched the Green Hydrogen certification scheme. So the statement is correct. It is not Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It is Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. The next question is about India-Poland strategic partnership uh, in terms of 5-year action plan. The current 5-year action plan is 2024 to 28. Option C is correct. Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2024 in category of Vigyan Radan is awarded to Professor Govind Ranjan Padmanabhan. Question 4 was asked about Gramin Bharat Mahotsav 2025. It promote economic stability and financial security among rural population. Statement is correct. It focused on financial inclusion and supporting sustainable agriculture practices. The option C is correct. Both statements are correct. 2024 Organization for Prohibition of Chemical Weapon. The Hague Award has been conferred upon which one of the following organization? So ये दिया गया है Indian Chemical Council को. Next question, पूर्वोदय Development Initiative से related है. Which one is not part of it? It is Chhattisgarh. Seventh question, National Manufacturing Mission. It was launched in Union Budget 2025. It covers small, medium, and large industries. It will support clean tech manufacturing. It will facilitate promotion of employment opportunity in labor-intensive sector. So all three statements are correct. घटमपुर थर्मल पावर प्रोजेक्ट, ये थर्मल पावर प्रोजेक्ट यूपी में है. अब क्वेश्चन 9 asked about the operation undertaken by India against Pakistan. We have to arrange them in chronological order. So Operation Cactus 1971, Operation Diddle 1965, Operation Meghdoot in Siachen conquering war, which was occupied by Pakistan. So it was 1984. Operation Safed Sagar is 1999. The next question is question number 10, which was asked about a German chancellor election. The new chancellor is Mr. Frederick Merz. He lost election in first round. Is correct. His coalition includes Christian Democratic Union and Christian Social Union. Both statements are correct. Then we have economy question about nature of good and income elasticity. Necessity between 0 to 1, luxury more than 1, and inferior more than 0. Inferior more than 0 नहीं होता है, इसलिए statement 1 and 2 are correct. Which of the following statement is about the relationship between price elasticity of demand and type of film is correct. Second question is from the same topic. Perfect elastic demand is associated with the competitive film. It is correct. Perfect inelastic demand is associated with the monoplastic competitive film. It is incorrect. So option A will be the correct. The next question was asked about comparative advantage theory given by David Ricardo. About this, the option C is incorrect. The nation which does not have absolute advantage in any goods cannot benefit from trade. It is incorrect. Question 14 is about the author and books. The John M. Keynes has written General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. Paul Samuelson, Foundation of Economic Analysis. Amrita Sen, Collective Choice and Social Welfare. And Avijit Banerjee's Poor Economics. So option B will be the correct answer. Collaboration for Intelligent Age is the theme of which meeting conveyed under the aegis of World Economic Forum. So it is the theme of the meeting of World Economic Forum in 2025. Nandini Shahakar scheme. It is a scheme related to women cooperatives, and it is taken up business model based on activity under the purview of NCDC. There is no minimum maximum limit on financial assistance. So both statements are correct. The next question is from the budget 2025-26. Highest expenditure received by interest payment. So next question again from the budget. It is quite difficult question. So option B is the correct answer for this. Only second statement is correct. Which of the following is not identified as one of the engine of development? 2025-26 के बजट में इनमें से कौन सा इंजन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया गया था? So it is textile. Next question is which one of the following scheme focused on developing modern infrastructure and optimizing supply chain from farm to retail in Indian agriculture sector? So प्रधानमंत्री किसान संपदा योजना इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ये इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को एडवांस करने के लिए और मॉडर्नाइज करने के लिए प्रमोट करती है. Purchasing Manager Index. This report is released by it is option A HSBC, Hong Kong, Shanghai, uh, business cooperation. The next question is about, you have to identify right statement in this. Which of the following is not correct? G20 was found in 2001. It is incorrect statement because it was found in 1999. The next question is from the union budget. The sovereign green bond to reduce the carbon intensity was announced in which year budget? So it is 2022 and 23. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2025-26 के बजट एस्टिमेट के अकॉर्डिंग फिजिकल डेफिसिट कितना होगा? इट इज 4.4% ऑफ द जीडीपी. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. Code on wages was notified by the government of India in 2019. So option A will be the correct answer. Next question was from the polity. The Pitt's India Act. Pitt's India Act was it set up the board of control. So it is related to third statement. Board set up by the Crown to control affairs of India. Charter Act of 1813. It ended the discrimination. No, it terminated the monopoly of East India Company over Indian trade, but only continued with the trade with China and trade in tea. So option B is related to 4. So A is related to 3 and B related to 4. Option C will be the correct answer. Charter Act of 1833, discrimination against Indian removed in matter of employment, and Charter Act of 1853 is related to enlargement of the Governor General Legislative Council. The next question is related to Government of Indian Act of 1919. It divided the subject of administration into categories, central and provincial. This is correct. Central subject was divided into reserved and transferred. This is incorrect because provincial subject was divided into reserved and transferred. The next question is related to Article 74, Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution, which was introduced by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. The option C will be the correct answer. The President shall exercise his function on the advice of Council of Ministers. Next question is related to CAG. He audit the reports on all expenditures from the Consolidated Fund of India. It is correct. He control the issue and receipt of money. So it is incorrect because money from the Consolidated Fund of India is issued by Parliament. So it is incorrect. Correct statement will be 1 and 3. Option C. Question number 30. These committees are related to Panchayati Raj. LM Singhvi committee is related to constitutional status to the Panchayati Raj. And Balwant Rai Mehta committee, it is related to creation of Jilla Parishad and Mandal Panchayat. So the right option will be A is Balwant Rai Mehta committee is related to 3 structure system 4, and Ashok Mehta related to creation of Jilla Parishad and Mandal Panchayat, and the right statement will be option A. Here we have the international organization. We have to arrange them in chronological order. Shanghai Cooperation Organization was formed in 2001. SARC is formed in 1985. APEC is formed in 1989, and ASEAN is formed in 1967. So right option will be 4231 B. So we will discuss the remaining part in next video. Thank you.